Welcome to the AI Mind channel, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and how they can be applied to real-world problems. Today, we will be discussing how to make sense of messy data by arranging it in an Excel spreadsheet with the help of ChatGPT. Dealing with large and disorganized datasets can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, we can turn chaos into order. ChatGPT can assist us in this process by providing insights and suggestions for organizing and cleaning up our data. By using its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand our queries and provide us with relevant information and suggestions. In this video, we will show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to arrange messy data in an Excel spreadsheet. We will cover topics such as data cleaning, data normalization, and data formatting. With the help of ChatGPT, we can simplify the process of working with large datasets and make it more efficient and effective. So, if you want to learn how to transform your messy data into a well-organized spreadsheet, stay tuned to this video and let's get started.
Keep exploring and expanding your mind with AI Mind.
First of all, copy messy data and paste ChatGPT and say, "Can you spread name, address, phone number, and industry," and enter. As you can see, ChatGPT write our messy data into ordered form. And copy it. Open MS Excel and paste it. And arrange as you want. And shaded rows and column, select color as you want. As you can see, a lot of messy data organized in 10 minutes and charged your clients $5 to $10. Thank you for watching AI Mind. Keep exploring and expanding your mind with AI Mind.